So here we are back with another video for the Apple Watch Ultra. More importantly, a very nice band for the Apple Watch Ultra. So you might want to check this one out. What's up guys, welcome back to Michael's Tech Talk. So the Apple Watch Ultra has been one of my favorite pieces of tech since it launched, and I tell you man, I love getting new accessories and straps and bands for the Apple Watch Ultra. I've got a good one for you here today. Not only do I have the strap for the Apple Watch Ultra, I also have a case for the Apple Watch Ultra, and this is from the guys at Pitaka. So as you know guys, I'm all about that armored fiber, and this does not disappoint. This is premium and this is top quality, and for me personally the fit is really good. The unboxing was pretty straightforward guys. Inside the box was the strap itself. There was some spare links, some spare pins. There was a pin ejector tool on the inside as well. It's a decent little package. It's pretty self-explanatory there, to be honest guys. And yes, I did have to take some links out of the watch strap itself. Pitaka did have some instructions on the inside with a QR code which took you to their YouTube channel, which did have a guide on how you take the links out. The links, in my honest opinion, were very straightforward to take out. It is a little bit of a footery little process, but if you just follow it, you put the pin in, you give it a jiggle, and it comes loose. For me, it was pretty easy, to be honest. And I did have to take links out. I took out, at first I took out 3 links from the watch, and it was a little bit loose. So I personally don't like a loose fitting strap on my smartwatch, because in my mind, if it's loose, it's going to, the sensors and things may not work as well. I'm not saying that, I know that for a fact. I'm literally just speculating. So I did try a 4th link, and yes, with the 4th link out, it fits my wrist perfectly. It's a really good fit. It's strong, it's secure. The watch doesn't move on my wrist, as you can see. But I will say, taking that 4th link out does make it a bit of a stretch to get it on my wrist. However, one thing I will commend about this strap is the clasp. The clasp kind of has like what I would call a magnetic guide. So there's magnets in the clasp itself, so that when you're putting the clasp on, it's like it'll line it up and then you just click it in. Once it's clicked in, it's not coming off. So that side of things guys, Pitaka, the clasp on this band is top notch. I cannot fault that whatsoever. What I would maybe suggest as a bit of feedback is in regards to the link size, maybe half them, so that the links, if we were maybe to cut these links in half and make that the link size, could maybe get a better fitment, possibly. I'm not sure, maybe worth looking at. For me personally, once I get the watch on, it's perfect. It fits so well, it's comfortable. Now what I will say is, with these link type straps, and I'm not just talking about this strap, I'm talking about metal straps with this sort of design as well. If you have hair on your arms like I do, you will get nipped. Now it will catch the odd hair here and there, and there's times there where I'm maybe, if I'm taking off a jacket or putting a jacket on and it moves the watch, I'll go, oh, you nipped me. And yeah, that comes with the territory, unfortunately. Is what it is. I have had that experience with metal straps as well as this strap. It comes with the territory of the design, unfortunately. But one thing I will say is, with this strap, what I like about it so much is this. I really like this because it's easier to get the strap on and off. It's also easier to get the strap onto your wrist, which in turn then makes it easier to get it to fit properly. Now, what I'll say there is, this is a metal band, a metal link band with a butterfly clasp. Now I do have this strap set to fit my wrist. However, to get it to fit comfortably without it being too loose, I had to take out quite a few links. And then my problem is, see, trying to get it on, I can't get it over my thumb. You see like that? So, because I've got a big thumb, oh my god. Ugh. Right, and then when you put that on, it still is quite loose. You see how loose that is? And that if I can't take any more links out of that strap, because if I take any more links out of that strap, I'll not be able to get it on. That's the most I can. That with this strap, that is as far as I can go to get it over. Ah! Oh, jeez. To get that over my thumb. With this strap, I don't have that. So I can have the right amount of links taken out of this strap, and then when I'm putting it on, the metal clasp or the magnets in the strap line up and click in, and job done. That's great for me personally, and that is why I rate that strap so well, because you can do that with it and you can get that really good fit. Let's talk about the price. It's not cheap. It's £88 on Amazon, right? However, this is made of lightweight armored fiber, carbon fiber. It's a lightweight strap. It's strong. A metal strap similar is double that price. So when you look at it from that perspective, it's maybe not that badly priced. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. Is that a fair price, or is a metal strap worth double the money? I don't know. Let me know in the comments down below. So yeah, I'll leave you the price, guys. It's right here. I'll also leave you the price for the case as well. There's nothing flash or fancy about it. It just clicks on and it protects the body of your Apple Watch. It's made of armored fiber. It's nice. I personally like it. That's again a subjective thing. So as always, guys, affiliate links don't cost you guys any more money, but they do help support the channel. So if you pick up anything using one of my links, thanks for supporting the channel. That about wraps it up for this video, guys. I hope you liked it. If you did, smash that like button for me. Massively helps me out. And don't forget, if you haven't already, click that subscribe button and ring that little bell to be notified of new videos just like this one. So yeah, I'm gonna go, guys. Don't forget to leave me comments down below. If you've got this strap or you're thinking about picking it up, leave me a comment or a question down below. I'll answer any questions you have. And until the next one, guys, I'll catch you later.